Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever been invited to a house party?
Do you know how to greet people, make small talk, and enjoy a party in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about a house party.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Hi, welcome to the party.
Thank you for inviting me.
I'm so glad you could come.
Me too. Your house looks beautiful.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will.
There are so many people here.
Yes, some are my friends and some are my coworkers.
Everyone seems very friendly.
Come in and make yourself at home.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
I'll get you a glass of juice.
That would be great.
How have you been?
I've been very busy lately.
Really? What have you been doing?
I've been working on a new project.
That sounds exciting.
It is, but it's also a lot of work.
I understand.
How about you?
I've been doing well.
That's good to hear.
Have you tried the food yet?
Not yet.
You should. It's delicious.
What's your favorite?
The grilled chicken and the fruit salad.
I'll try them.
Let me know what you think.
I will.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, I really am.
I'm happy to hear that.
The music is nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Who chose the playlist?
I did.
You have great taste in music.
Thank you.
Would you like to take a group photo later?
That's a wonderful idea.
Everyone will have a nice memory.
Exactly.
This has been a fantastic evening.
I'm so happy you came.
Thank you for inviting me.
Would you like to play a game?
Sure. What game are we playing?
Let's play a simple party game.
Sounds fun.
Everyone is joining.
That's great.
The winner gets a small prize.
Really?
Yes.
I'll do my best.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's begin.
This game is exciting.
You're doing very well.
Thank you.
Congratulations, you won.
Really?
Yes, here's your prize.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's take some photos together.
Great idea.
Everyone, come over here.
Smile.
1, 2, 3.
Perfect.
The photos look wonderful.
Can you send them to me later?
Of course.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy the party?
Yes, I had a fantastic time.
I'm so glad.
Thank you for inviting me.
It was my pleasure.
I hope we can do this again.
Definitely.
Have a wonderful night.
You too. Drive home safely. What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
House party.
Excellent.
Make yourself at home.
Very good.
Would you like something to drink?
Perfect.
Take a group photo.
Great.
Have a good time.
Wonderful.
Congratulations.
Excellent.
See you next time.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident speaking English at parties now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's have another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for attending a house party and talking with friends.
You also learned how to greet people, offer food and drinks, play games, take photos, and say goodbye politely.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, and happy English learning.